Welcome friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my favorite comfort food. This is chicken rice porridge, and with this recipe you will never go wrong. So my humble request, please see this video till the end and make this recipe for your family, and I'm sure this is going to be your go-to recipe. So let's get started. So let's start making chicken rice porridge. This is comfort food and this is perfect for winter meals, be it lunch or dinner. So let's start by adding 2 cups of water. To this water I'm adding 4 cups of chicken stock. Let this chicken stock and water boil. So keep your flame on high and add fried garlic pods, around 12 to 14. Now these are store-bought fried garlics. You can fry them at home and use it too. That would be good. Next goes ginger, 1 inch ginger. Add this. Spring onion. This is 1 bunch spring onion. And let this boil in water for a couple of minutes so that the herbs aroma will get infused to the stock and water. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Andyzz World, press the bell icon, and if you are watching me on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page for such interesting recipe, and also let me know from which country, which city you are watching my video so that I can say thank you. So comment box में लिखना ना भूलिए कि आप ये रेसिपी कहाँ से देख रहे हैं ताकि हम आपको thank you कह सकें. Now this broth is smelling amazing. Now it has been boiling for last 5 to 7 minutes and the flame is on high. I will reduce the flame now. Next we are going to add chicken to this. Now please check the description box for exact quantities, so I don't want you to go wrong with that. Next I'm going to add rice. I have washed this rice only once because we need to have the starch, which will be good for my porridge. So don't wash it for too long or soak it. Just wash it once and add the rice with the chicken. Give it a good stir. Next goes salt. Add salt to taste. Now cook this for 35 minutes or till your chicken is done. Now cover it with a lid and cook it for 35 minutes or till your chicken is cooked properly. So I came to check on this after 10 minutes. So it's boiling. To this I added 3 green chilies. Now this is optional. If you don't want your porridge to be hot, you can skip this. But I like green chilies in my porridge. That aroma is amazing, and I'm also adding 2 star anise. This will give some extra flavoring to this porridge. I'll cover this and cook till my chicken is done. It took around 35 to 40 minutes for this chicken to cook. The chicken is nicely cooked. I'll take out the chicken and I'll shred it. Before taking chicken out, I have taken all other stuff which I have added in the water, except I have left a couple of pods of garlic for that extra aroma, and everything else I have discarded. I'm shredding chicken here, and now if you see, the porridge has a lot of water. I'll simmer the flame and cover it with the lid and cook it for 1 hour, at least 45 minutes to 1 hour, when most of the water has evaporated or reduced. So see you after 1 hour. Keep stirring this occasionally so that it will not form any lump. And please tell me one chicken dish that you absolutely love. Like for me, I love butter chicken. So please tell me what is your favorite chicken dish. It's around 45 minutes to 50 minutes and the rice is quite thick. Now I'll add the chicken pieces. Give this a good mix. Chicken and the rice, and the aroma is so good. I can't tell you. I wish you could have smelled this with me. It's really good. I added little pepper to this porridge. Now this is also optional. If you don't want pepper, you can just skip this. Without pepper also it will taste really good. And let it simmer this for another 10 minutes and then it will be ready to serve. It's been 10 minutes and rice is simmering with chicken. So it's completely done now and I'll be doing plating. Let me show you how we'll do the plating because plating is very interesting in this dish. Now this is my favorite part of this recipe, to assemble all the other stuff with this porridge. Give it an amazing look and a great taste. So put the rice first. I'm adding fried garlic, some spring onions, little coriander leaves or cilantro, black sesame, little soy sauce, and some chili oil too. Now here you can go creative, you can use whatever you like for the topping. For additional protein, I'm adding eggs too. These are soft boiled eggs, not hard boiled. And now our chicken porridge is ready to dig in. Do make this recipe and let me know how did you like this recipe. So comment and see you next time with another interesting recipe. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye-bye.